Okay, this next batch is going to be honey as a growth medium, as opposed to all natural. Now, you guys are going to hear a mixture of things on the internet, and some of what I've heard, I'm not really even sure these people live in Florida. They're giving advice on growing stuff that's actually pretty good advice. I have nothing against anyone who puts this stuff out on the internet. If it's helping someone, bravo. It's my motto. I do this stuff to help people. I don't do it because I make any money, because obviously I don't. But I do like to help people, and I do like to do this stuff. However, if you're using soil, you have to make sure, and especially in Florida, because this stuff gets so compacted when you water it, it actually can turn into something you don't want, which is a brick. So, as you can see, I'm not using very much of this honey. I've tried it a bunch of different ways, and too much didn't seem to do anything. The important thing is to make sure you're getting it on the end that you cut the 45-degree angle, and a little excess on what you shaved off. I usually go a little above that. And the looser your soil is in the beginning, the better. Because again, you don't want to put it in something compact. It's going to get compacted enough without a lot of help. Now this one's honey, and again, that's another one we're going to get back to. Okay, here's the next batch. And this one's going to be only same thing, soil, perlite, some mulch, and our Bonton rooting powder. And you'll see, it's actually quite helpful. I've got all these cut and shredded already. The reason for doing this is because it opens up the inside. You can actually count on it working a little bit better. So, I don't add any water, I just use the natural moisture that's in it. And that's all we do. Now, this one is a double batch of these. Now,